Winter is approaching, and your water heater becomes one of the most important appliances in your home. Preparing it properly ensures warm showers and efficient performance all season long. Start by inspecting your water heater for any visible leaks or corrosion. Small issues can become big problems when temperatures drop. Check the pressure relief valve to ensure it's working properly. It prevents excessive pressure buildup during operation. Flush the tank to remove sediment buildup. That reduces heating efficiency. Use a hose to drain the tank completely. Insulate the tank and pipes to retain heat and reduce energy loss. It's a simple way to lower utility bills. For outdoor or basement installations, add extra pipe insulation to prevent freezing. Frozen pipes can burst and cause serious damage. Check your thermostat settings. The ideal temperature for winter is around 120 F 49 F. If your heater is old, schedule a professional inspection before the coldest months. Preventive maintenance saves money in the long run. Inspect the anode rod to prevent tank corrosion. Replace it if it's worn out or heavily corroded. Test the heating element for proper function, especially in electric water heaters. A weak element can cause lukewarm water. Inspect the venting system for gas water heaters. Ensure all vents are clear from snow, debris, or bird nests. Ensure proper ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. Safety always comes first during winter months. Check for strange noises like rumbling or popping. These sounds often mean sediment buildup inside the tank. Replace worn or brittle hoses that connect to your water heater. Cracked hoses can leak under cold pressure. If you have a tankless water heater, clean the filter to maintain good water flow. Dust and lime buildup reduce performance. Inspect the exhaust and intake pipes of your tankless unit. Blocked pipes can cause shutdowns in freezing temperatures. Turn off power before performing any inspection or cleaning. Safety precautions are crucial before winter work. Drain and disconnect outdoor water heaters if not in use during winter. Frozen tanks can crack easily. Install a freeze protection kit for outdoor tankless systems. It keeps the unit safe even on icy nights. For homes with long pipelines, consider installing recirculation pumps to ensure instant hot water. Make sure the area around your water heater stays warm and dry. Cold air can make the unit work harder. Wrap the hot water pipes leading away from the heater. This keeps water warm longer as it travels through your home. Keep flammable materials like paint, gasoline, and cloth far from your heater. Winter storage safety is key. If your water smells odd or rusty, it's time to replace the anode rod or flush the tank again. Consider upgrading to an energy-efficient model before winter if your heater is over 10 years old. Modern heaters include smart thermostats that automatically adjust to seasonal changes. Schedule a maintenance reminder on your phone or calendar for next year's pre-winter check. Insulate basement windows to prevent drafts near your heater. A few degrees of warmth make a big difference. Keep a small thermometer in your utility room to monitor temperature levels near the heater. If you live in extreme cold regions, install a space heater near your water system for extra protection. Regularly test hot water flow from taps to ensure consistent temperature. This helps detect issues early. Tighten all fittings and connections before winter begins. Loose joints may leak when pressure fluctuates. If you are leaving home for holidays, set the heater to vacation mode or turn it off completely. Label your valves clearly so they can be quickly turned off in an emergency. Check for signs of condensation around the heater. Moisture can indicate poor insulation or air leaks. Clean the burner and flame sensor in gas heaters for optimal combustion. Ensure your water softener is functioning if you live in a hard water area. It reduces mineral deposits inside the tank. Seal any gaps or holes near water lines that could let in cold drafts. Even small cracks can freeze pipes. After all preparations, listen to the quiet hum of your system. It should run smoothly without unusual noises. With your water heater winter ready, you can enjoy warm, worry-free showers all season long. Preparation brings peace of mind. Check for insulation gaps near the base of the heater. Cold air entering from below can reduce efficiency. If you notice slow heating, it may be due to mineral scale buildup inside. Use a descaling solution to clean it out. Ensure your water heater drain valve is tightly closed after maintenance. Even small drips waste energy and water. Test the temperature from the nearest and farthest faucets to check distribution. Uneven heat may signal pipeline issues. Consider installing a heat trap if your system doesn't already have one. It prevents unwanted heat loss through pipes. Review your water heater's manual for specific winter care instructions from the manufacturer. Clean the surrounding area regularly to prevent dust buildup near the vents or controls. If your area experiences frequent power cuts, consider a backup generator for the heater's control system. Keep a record of all maintenance and inspections. A simple notebook helps track performance over the years. Test the emergency shutoff valve to make sure it operates smoothly. In emergencies, seconds matter. Install carbon monoxide detectors on every floor near gas heaters. They can save lives during winter. Always leave a small gap between the heater and the wall for ventilation and easy access. If your heater is in a garage, ensure the garage door seals tightly to keep out cold drafts. Drain the water heater once more, in early spring, to remove any leftover debris from the winter months. Consider adding a water heater blanket for older units to improve insulation and energy efficiency. Listen for any hissing or bubbling sounds that may indicate a small leak or air pocket inside. In freezing zones, install a temperature sensor alarm that alerts you when the heater room drops below 5 C. Teach all family members where the main water shutoff valve is located. Everyone should know how to react quickly. Review your energy bills after winter to track efficiency improvements. Maintenance often pays off in savings. Congratulations! Your water heater is ready to handle the coldest winter days, keeping your home warm and comfortable.